This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
Hey! So today I got something a little bit different for you guys. I was recently given a gift certificate to one of my most despised fast fashion stores. Now I have no idea why I was given this, but I was. If you follow me online at all, you will know that I'm very anti-fast fashion, very pro garment worker rights, sustainable lifestyle, mend and make do, refashioning, shopping pre-loved. So I'm not really sure why I was sent this. Now, unfortunately, it was non-refundable and non-transferable, so I kind of had to use it. So I put on my Refashionista thinking cap and came up with what I hope is kind of an interesting idea. So I went ahead and did some shopping online and used my fast fashion gift certificate, but I also went ahead and used the same amount of money at my local thrift store charity shop to compare exactly what do you get for the same amount of money and about the same types of garments and purchases. So let's have a look at the stacks of what I got. Right, thrift store, fast fashion. These piles are pretty darn equal, and the prices were pretty darn equal too. So let's take a closer look at exactly what I got and then come back and have a bit of a chat about it. Sadly, thrift and charity shops are now having to compete with the ever decreasing prices of unethically, unsustainably produced fast fashion, which is really, really sad. Now, that said, I was incredibly shocked when I returned to Canada after living abroad for over 22 years to discover that the thrift and charity shops here have prices that are equal to or more expensive than unethically produced fast fashion for that very same but used unethically produced fast fashion. And I am very curious, why is this? Why is it that a shirt that I bought for $5 brand new from a fast fashion store, something similar cost me $7 used in a thrift store? So I totally understand why people don't want to shop secondhand and pre-loved, because why would they when they are getting cheaper items brand new from the fast fashion stores? It doesn't make a lick of sense. And unfortunately, thrift stores and charity shops that I have reached out to question these things do not want to talk to me or answer my questions. So if anybody has any sort of information about this, let me know in a comment below. I would love to find out why thrift stores really have more expensive prices for fast fashion than actual fast fashion stores. It makes absolutely no sense at all. So as I'm becoming more than a bit disillusioned with thrift and charity shops here, I mean, shopping at vintage stores is actually becoming cheaper than going to the thrift store, which is just, what? Anyhow, so I kind of have come up with a rather cool way to refresh my wardrobe, refresh my house without resorting to buying anything. And all you got to do is go through your house, go through your wardrobe, decide what you want, what you don't want, have your friends and family do the exact same thing, and throw a bit of a swap party. It's loads of fun. Everybody gets to get rid of something they don't want and takes home something that they absolutely love and they do want. Remember, new to you is still new. And it is amazing the treasures that you can have when you throw a little swap party. So that I have coming up on my agenda pretty soon, and I'm wondering if you guys would be interested if I videoed the whole thing and shared it online. Is that something that you'd want to see as one of my little Refashionista swap parties? Let me know in a comment below. Now, obviously, I'm passionate about what I do, and I'm curious to know how many of you out there share my passion for refashioning, upcycling, living an eco-friendly, sustainable, anti-fast fashion lifestyle. Let me know in a comment below, what do you do to promote this way of life and to, kind of teach people how easy it is. Myself, I to date have shared over 1,200 Refashionista tutorials, ethical fashion articles, and pre-loved style information over on my Confessions of a Refashionista blog at awesomesaucehattery.com. And also be sure to share your tips and tricks and how you actually live a more eco-friendly, sustainable lifestyle. And if you're in the Toronto area and would love to take part in one of my future Refashionista swaps, be sure to get in touch. I'm everywhere on Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, you name it, Instagram, Refashionista Sherry, Confessions of a Refashionista. Get in touch and let's create a fantastic swap, circular economy, eco-friendly lifestyle together. And until next time, I'll catch ya on the zigzag.